The ongoing exchanging volume of torrential slide in a real sense is at $85,428,597 in a very huge manner. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in an unpretentious manner. Avax USD medium-term support certainly remained at $13.68 in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slides in a real sense shows a by and large descending pattern, which for the most part is very huge. The 18th of June 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense. Got clarification on some pressing issues. What basically is in every way that really matters. Transient cost expectation for torrential slide. All things considered, is Avax a very wise venture, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking? Torrential slide support and obstruction levels, and so on, which truly is very huge. However, prior to plunging pretty profound into the Avax specialized examination, basically let us explicitly discuss the for the most part current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours. There explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,069,183,910,197, or so they really thought. The kind of complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $18,932,172,992 in a very large manner. Bitcoin shares 48.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, which sort of is very critical, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,455.17 level after a decay of 0.32%. Further appearance how the especially current exchanging volume of torrential slide basically is at $85,428,597, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM generally has seen a value decline of 0.51% coming to $1,730.34 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the Avax specialized investigation, especially let us basically discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which by and large is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.05, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time span, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP explicitly, is up by 1.07 and right now exchanging at 49 cents, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they generally thought. These occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a genuinely descending bearing for commonly present moment, or so they in every practical sense thought. Right now, an essentially broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM by and large has seen a value reduction of 0.51% coming to $1,730.34 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the Avax specialized examination. In a real sense, let us especially discuss the very current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized markers used to especially recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, especially further appearance how torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on in a kind of significant manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become substantially more truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further incredibly. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which merchants explicitly become move truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Avax specialized examination, explicitly let us basically discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide execution. The sort of current torrential slide cost by and large is $11.50, with an exchanging volume of $85,428,597 in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, which explicitly shows that right now, a sort of broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM in every way that really matters, has seen a value lessening of 0.51% coming to $1,730.34 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Avax specialized examination, for the most part allowed us basically to discuss the extremely current economic situations in a very huge manner. Right now, Avax certainly is somewhere around 2.39% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $3,967,017,308 USD, showing how similarly, opposition really is a level at which dealers in every practical sense move sort of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Avax specialized examination, let us sort of discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide value investigation Avax cost examination for the 18th of June 2023 inside and all things considered. Everyday time span commonly made sense of beneath, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index, moving pretty normal combination and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving most certainly normal and dramatic moving commonly normal to by and large dissect the future development of the torrential slide, exhibiting how these occasions basically demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a very descending heading for kind of transient in an essentially enormous manner. While Avax's Williams % R pointer in every practical sense is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal fundamentally is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how we utilize genuinely relative strength index, moving exceptionally normal combination and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving in every way that really matters, normal and remarkable moving pretty normal to in a real sense dissect the future development of the torrential slide, showing how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market especially is going in an essentially descending heading for commonly present moment, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. The Avax USD moving fundamentally normal combination and disparity pointer especially is demonstrating a truly momentary sell release signal as the MACD line sort of is moving underneath essentially signal line which for the most part implies by and large bears sort of are overwhelming on the lookout. So however prior to jumping especially profound into the Avax specialized examination sort of allowed us by and large to discuss the essentially current economic situations incredibly. The torrential slide especially has sort of break all its in a real sense upholds levels, and things in a real sense are not looking certainly great for the crypto market, exhibiting how support basically is a level at which purchasers basically become in every practical sense, all the more extremely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, really bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively explicitly take Avax cost beneath the critical help level of $14.76, showing how XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP explicitly is up by 1.07 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The in every practical sense, relative strength file demonstrates that the Avax coin in a real sense is an oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 29. Further appearance